How to cancel AI flashcard subscription. First of all, open the Knowt app on your device and make sure you are logged in with your account. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down and look for the Plans option. Tap on it and you will see your current subscription details. Select Manage Subscription. From here, you will be redirected to your App Store subscription settings, either Google Play Store or the Apple App Store depending on your device. Find AI Flashcards Knowt in the list of active subscription and tap on it. Now select Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. Once cancelled, you will still have access to premium feature until the end of your current billing cycle, but you won't be charged again in the future. Now you know how to cancel AI Flashcard subscription. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.